in this maths problem, we have two sets of scales. We have a set of scales on the left with a doll and a car weighing 650 grams, and we have a set of scales on the right with a doll and two cars that weighs 0.9 kilograms. The question asks us how much does the car weigh in grams and how much does the doll weigh in grams. If you want to have a go on your own, pause the video now and then I'll go through the answer. Okay, so the scales on the left, if I draw a bar to represent what it is on the left, we have on the left a doll and a car. We have a doll and a car, and that equals 650 grams. Okay? The scales on the right, we have a doll and two cars. So the doll is the same, that car is the same, and we can assume that the red car that's been added is the same weight. So we have another car, and that equals 0.9 kilograms. Now the first thing that I would want to do here is make it so that both units of measure are the same. So I'm going to change, and as the question asks us to measure it in grams, I'm going to convert that 0.9 kilograms into grams. Okay, so 0.9 kilograms we know, so that is 0.9 of a kilogram. There's 1,000 kilograms in a 1,000 grams, in a kilogram. So 0.9, 9/10 of 1 kilogram will be 900 grams. Okay, so we know that a doll plus two cars is 900 grams. So the difference between those two would be one of the things we want to find out. The difference here is what we want to find out. It's the car. Okay, so if we find the difference between the two masses, we will be able to find out the mass of the car, So, let's do it over here. Let's do the difference. We've got 900 grams, take away 650 grams, and our answer. So we'll do our ones column first. 0 ones, take away 0 ones equals 0 ones. 0 tens, take away 5 tens we can't do, so we borrow 100, so that 900 becomes 800, and this no tens becomes 100 and no tens. Take away 5 tens is 5 tens, and 800s take away 600s is 200s. So we have there the difference between these two totals is 250. Well, that gives us this here as 250. So we know, if we go back to our question, how much does a car weigh? Well, a car weighs 250 grams. How much does the doll weigh? Well, that's what we want to find out here. So this doll is what we want to find out next. Well, to work that out, we know that this car here is also 250 grams. And it also means that this car here is 250 grams. So, what is the doll? Well, the doll, if we do 650, the total here, take away 250, we get 400 grams. So the doll equals 400 grams.